Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sashrik Rajesh. I'm uploading a video after a long time, and as I promised, I'm filming the PNL update video right now. If you guys want to see my PNL, it's up here right now. People who just came for my PNL, the video ends here for you guys, but people who actually want to know about trading and how they manage risks and how they manage winners and losers, keep watching the video till the end. I'm going to share my PNL from Jan 1st to April 1st. Like most traders know, Jan 1st to April 1st, the first 3 months of the year are the hardest to trade. So how I managed my risk, what was the market like in these 3 months, everything is discussed in this video. I'm sure you guys are going to learn something from this video at the end. So stick around till the end. I'm sure that if I can do a PNL video like this and make profits, I'm sure you can. Just try to get some learning point out of this video. I'm sure people who just came for the profits would have clicked off the video right now, but if you guys are still here, it means that you guys are genuinely here to learn something, and I promise you that you guys will learn something from this video. So stick around till the end. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Enjoy. Alright guys, let's get started. So before getting into the PNL, let's talk a little bit about how the market moved from Jan 1st to April 1st. So like you guys can see here, I marked it with a vertical line. So the market went slightly up and then there was a huge fall from this level. The market consolidated for almost, I think, 15 days, and then there was a slight breakout from this region, which was then a fake breakout, and the market fell rapidly from this region here. Again, the market moved up. It created a lower high, went down, again went up, created a lower high, went down, and then recovered again, created a lower high. So as you guys can see here, the market was pretty volatile, this entire region. And the market, I think, almost moved, if you consider the highest point to the lowest point, the market almost moved 11%. And the swings were almost 8 to 9%. So the market was pretty volatile in these 3 months. So let's see how to go about this. So I'll show you my total PNL first. So I've been trading in only one account, as you guys know, the FYRES account. So I'll show you guys the PNL from Jan 1st to no, April 1st is not shown, so March 31st. Okay, so my total PNL is 29,118, which is 29% of my capital. As you guys know, my capital is 1 lakh, so I made 29% of my capital. But this is before all the charges and stuff. So I'll go more in detail about this. So let's go to our global P&L statement. So first I'll show you all the months together. So this is, all right, so Jan 1st to March, April 1st, right? So April 1st. And all this is live. I can't really edit or do anything to this. So exchange all and segment all. All right, so my total PNL from Jan 1st to April 1st is 21,517 after all the charges, and my total expenses were 7,600. So this is it. I did make a complete breakdown here, which I'll explain later, but let's first see month by month how my PNL was. All right, so from Jan 1st to Feb 1st is here. So from Jan 1st to Feb 1st, the market was basically consolidating in this region, gave a slight bullish run, which was a fake breakout, and the market moved rapidly. And let's see how much we made. So from Jan 1st to Feb 1st, we made a total profit of 8,854 even in this kind of a market, all because of option selling. I literally gave out the strategy, and it was the same strategy which gave me this amount. And from Feb 1st to March 1st, which was here, the market was again, it was basically consolidating. And consolidating markets are the hardest to trade because we can't really take up a side whether we're bullish or bearish. Even this market is easy to trade because we clearly know a direction, but this kind of a market is pretty hard to trade. So let's see how much we made. So from Feb 2nd to March 1st, I think we made a loss this month. Yeah, so we made a loss of 1,819, which is 2% of our capital. And again, a quick review on why I made this loss. I actually did an option buy trade, which is also part of my strategy. I'll explain that in a bit though. But the option buy trade had a lot of expenses involved in it because I kept entering again and again. So that's why this loss. But I made it under 4%, actually under 2%. So this is a manageable loss. Let's see after that. So again, the market made a higher high and then fell down, and then it started consolidating. This was probably the best month for me. I can show you guys really quickly. So till April 1st. Yeah, we made a profit of almost 14,000, which is 14% of my capital. This is also because of an option buying trade. So I showed you guys all my PNL for each month, how I managed it. So let's get into the report right now. This report basically shows me how much I made from my strategy, how much I made from an option buying strategy, and how much I made from an equity strategy. So this is a strategy which I gave out on YouTube. The option buying and equity strategy I didn't give out on YouTube because it's slightly riskier and the risk management for that is a little bit different. So I didn't want you guys to lose money. So that's why I didn't give out a risky strategy. But let's first consider strategy we gave out, right? So the first month I made a profit of 8,854, like I showed you. I did zero option buying trades or equity trades. And our goal every month was to make 4-5% of our capital, and we made almost 8% of our capital in one trade. So this was pretty good, right? I was sitting already on an 8% capital. The next trade, I did lose 2% of my capital for the particular strategy. The only mistake I did is after losing 2% also, I still took an option buying trade. So at least how I designed my system was my fundamental trading strategy is a strategy I shared. And the money which comes after that, I'll use it in riskier strategies like option buying and equity. So my fundamental strategy is here, and the other strategies are built up like it's building up on that strategy. So even though this was a loss, I still took an option buying trade. And like I said, this was a trade where I kept re-entering and I lost. I think this was the only time I lost more than 4%, slightly more than 4%, maybe 4.5 or something like that. But luckily, I took an equity trade and it saved me because I made a profit of 3,428. Even I'm not perfect. I'm also trying to like follow my rules properly. Actually, this month I'm following my rules perfectly. So the next month's PNL will, I mean, the next 3 months PNL, when I update you guys after 3 months, will be quite interesting. If you guys are waiting for that, hit the like button. But again, so this trade saved me. So I ended the month with less than 2% of my capital going. After that, the month from March 2nd to April 1st was the best month so far because the strategy gave me 6%, which is quite good. I risked because originally our goal is to get 4%, right? So I risked those 2% and got 13% of my capital in option buying. I'm sure you guys know, if you guys are traders, option buying is quite risky. It's If there's more risk, obviously there's more reward. So while risking 2% of my capital, I made 13% of my capital. That's how option buying works. But unfortunately, in equity, I lost 4,817. Again, no strategy is perfect. There could be losses, there could be profits. There's no 100% winning strategy all the time. This is literal proof that there is no 100% winning strategy. The only thing you guys can control is your money management. That's what I'm showing you guys here. If you guys don't take anything else from this video, take the point that money management is very important. All right, so if you just see the strategy in 3 months, we made a profit of 13,240. So if you guys follow the strategy with utmost discipline, you would have actually made more than me because I was kind of stupid in this month. But the strategy, even if I made mistakes, it still gave me a return of 13%. And it's over our goal, right? So what 4 into 3 is 12%. So we are supposed to make 12%, but we made almost 13%. The option buying, I wouldn't be talking about these strategies because again, I didn't discuss them. So, and the risk management in these two strategies are completely different. So I can't talk about it. But overall, I made a profit of almost 10% here and a loss of less than 2% here. So overall, I'm sitting at a profit of 21,569.2. And again, if you guys don't trust that, the same number is here too. So Jan 1st to April 1st, 21,517, 21.57%. Right. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll meet you guys in the outro. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure hopefully you guys learned something from this video. A quick summary on what you could have learned from my PNL report. The first thing is, make sure you're only losing how much you're ready to lose in the stock market. Don't lose more than that. The second thing is, have a systematic strategy for yourself. It could be my strategy, it could be anyone else's strategy on YouTube, or it could be your own strategy. All I want is you guys should win in the market. Have a systematic way of managing your winners and your losers, right? The second thing I want to talk about here, I'm going to make this kind of a video every 3 months only. There's two reasons for it. The first reason is I have no interest in showing my PNL report out there, but I've been following YouTubers for a very long time, right? A lot of people talked about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, RSI, India VIX, so many things, right? But do these concepts really work? I don't know. So I'm giving you guys a proven record that what I thought teach you guys in this channel works. I gave a strategy video out there on YouTube on around Jan, and I used the same strategy. You guys can go see my live trading videos. I used the same strategy and we came out with 13% of our capital, which is pretty good, right? So what I teach in this channel works for me. That's why I'm showing it to you guys. And what doesn't work for me, I won't be posting in this channel. I can give you that kind of a promise. The second thing is, if I regularly post P&L videos, my channel will only become about profits, losses. I don't want that. The main thing I want to show from this channel is following a process in trading rather than just focusing on the money part. So that's why I'm going to be uploading these kinds of videos only 3 months. And 3 months is a good time to show a P&L. What I mean by that is, if I show you a 1 week P&L, I could have performed really good in that week, right? So that wouldn't be a proper data to show you. But if I show 3 months of a P&L, some weeks can go in loss, some weeks can go in profit. But overall, what happens is what that matters, right? So that's why I chose a period of 3 months. If you guys like this kind of video formats, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to know and learn more from this channel, please consider subscribing or maybe like the video. I'll meet you guys in another video. Thank you. I'm going to be uploading my The first thing is, I'm sure what you're sure about. I'll give you